Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. I will use PC yarn Chiabor silk fino yarn and hook number 3mm as shown. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as usual, then make 15 chains as shown now. Turn and make single crochet into the third loop for every stitch across the row as shown now. Then I will make 3 single crochet stitches into the last chain, into the third loop also, then make the third single crochet stitch into the same stitch as shown now, then turn around and make single crochet into every stitch across the row. I will make it and I will come back. Now I arrived to the rounding stitches. Then I will make 2 single crochet into the last stitch as shown now, then close with slip stitch into the back loop only as shown now. Then I will start round 2. I will make a chain and make single crochet into every stitch until I arrive to the rounding stitches as shown now. I will make single crochet stitches into the full stitch as shown now until arriving to the rounding stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I arrived to the rounding stitches, so I will make 2 single crochet into the next 3 stitches for the rounding stitch as shown now. I will make 2 single crochet into every stitch of that 3 stitches to have 6 single crochet stitches into the rounding stitches as shown now. Then turn around and make single crochet into every stitch until arrive to the rounding stitches for the other, for the next side as shown now here. Now I arrived to the rounding stitches for that side, so I will make 2 single crochet into every stitch for the next 2 stitches and make single crochet into the last stitch and close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will start round 3. I will make single crochet here and make 2 single crochet into the next as shown now into same stitch, then I will make single crochet into every stitch until I arrive to the rounding stitches. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I arrived to the rounding stitches, so I will make single crochet here into the first stitch and 2 single crochet into the next and repeat that 3 times. Here I will make single crochet and 2 single crochet into the next. That is the second time and that is third time, so I will make single crochet here and 2 single crochet into the next. Then continue making single crochet into every stitch until arrive to the rounding stitches for the other side. I will make it and I'll come back. Here I will make single crochet here for the rounding stitch for the other side and 2 single crochet into the next and repeat that another time, so I will make single crochet here and 2 single crochet into the next. Then I will join with the red color as shown now to close with slip stitch to close that round with the shape and cut the blue yarn. Then I will start round 4. I will make 3 chains as shown now, then make 3 double crochet into front loop only as shown now here. I will make 3 double crochet into same stitch into front loop only as shown now. Then make 3 double crochet into back loop only as shown now here. I hope that obvious for you. Then repeat with the same sequence across the row. So I will make 3 double crochet into front loop only, then 3 double crochet into back loop only. I will repeat that across the row and come back. Then close those slip stitch as shown now and leave a long tail, then cut our yarn and fasten off. Here I will grab the red color as shown now to make slip stitch above the blue color as shown now. Now I will make slip stitch into every stitch across the row as shown now with the red color, then close those slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will join that cloth to cover the metal hair clip as shown now. I make a hole into that cloth to cover that metal hair clip, and I will join it with the glue. With the shape here. I joined it. Then I will join that beads with the glue. Now I finished that crochet hair clip and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.